Mosque in Makkah. Kau Makkah is busy, right? Bloody hell. Allah. What are you saying?
You're saying it's a new extension. You have big given VIP
All closed.
access.
You know why line for all closed?
Yes.
All closed.
So for now. Because Mirpuri
for you.
Munde is here.
Yeah. Sure. God knows how long it's going to take to complete. Been going for God knows
God knows how long. These are complete in 2 days.
Then that's it. You like the whole world coming here to Jummah today, eh?
Yeah. The whole of Makkah will probably be coming here.
Yeah. How's the experience?
Very nice.
Beautiful in it.
There is a new
Extension building.
building.
Gay 100 I think it was. Gay 100 something.
100.
100 something. Yeah, 100. Should be. Wow.
100.
It's beautiful, man. It's build a new building. What are you thinking?
Yeah, really nice.
Still it needs to be complete. I think there's no funds or ACs or anything like that.
Yeah. I think they're gonna get rid of that wall, innit? What do you think? They'll get rid of that wall in the end.
That one behind, yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be open.
Yeah.
And yeah, so
So you can see through basically, but yeah. No, but it's very nice in here.
beautiful. It's absolutely rammed.
So we're going to buy a Rolex watch now?
Ah, yeah?
Yeah.
We're gonna go to this. We've seen it on TikTok. This cafe is called Cafe Moment. And it's got a view of the Haram. So
You
we're
go
gonna
that
go
way?
there. I think up the escalator.
Escalator.
Yeah. Look how much rush there is. Up the escalator up there. We'll show you where it is then. Alright, we're doing from there now. What's your review?
2 out of 5.
Either 2 or 5.
It's rubbish. No, I'm joking. It's very good, very good. 5 out of 5.
It's like English
Wait.
desserts. Cookie, we got a cookie dough.
How
That
much
was
it cost us
very
again?
nice. Cost us 161
60.
real, which is about 35-40 quid.
That's expensive.
Expensive, 100% expensive.
Yep.
You're paying for the view really, innit?
Yeah.
But the food itself, quality. It's like English desserts. Cookie dough is very nice.
Oh, yeah. It's better
Chocolate
than
fondant
chocolate.
one is very nice. Milkshake, beautiful. So if you do come, then go there. It's on the escalators. First escalator, straight up on the right side. That's the end of the vlog for Jummah in Makkah. Inshallah, the next vlog. So tomorrow we're going to be going to Jabal Al Noor. So watch out for that vlog. Subscribe, like, share the video with your family and friends. And I'll see you in the next one.